What's up, guys? This is Adrian with Ride Engineering, and it's been a couple of years since we've produced our own in-house video, but we wanted to come out here today and show you guys some of the really awesome modifications we've made to the 23-24 new chassis of the KTM and Husqvarna. Our modifications fix some of the issues that people have been having with this bike. If you've owned the previous generation model, you're probably scratching your head wondering, why does this bike feel so rigid, and why does it so front-end bias in the way it handles? Okay, so the number one thing that I recommend is our 23.5 millimeter offset triple clamps. Not only do these things add more comfort to the bike, but the different offset calms down the bike. It makes it more stable without losing any of the handling that the new chassis provides. The second thing I want you guys to check out is our Performance Link. Our Performance Link actually shifts the weight of the bike back a little bit, and it also kind of pushes through the harsh part of the stroke. The third thing that's super important if you get one of these bikes is to get your suspension done by a reputable suspension tuner. I took my stuff to Ron Schuler, ESR Suspension, and Ron used one of our KYB conversion kits, and he also does some tricks to the shock, and the suspension combined with the clamps and the link is just outstanding on this motorcycle. So number 4 on our list is the behind the number plate steering dampener. This is a product Ride Engineering has been offering for about 10 years now for KTM and Husqvarnas, and it's also something new that WP has recently introduced. And I think part of the reason they've also offering it is that the show of patent has expired, but also because they know this new chassis is so front-end biased. The fifth little chassis item that we have that works pretty good on this motorcycle is our floating axle block kit. That basically just uses a YZ250 axle with our machine billet blocks, and it just frees up the chassis on acceleration. The only other Ride Engineering product that we have on this bike is our oversized rotor kit, and that just adds more stopping power. We didn't do too much to the engine. These current 450 bikes are super fast stock. We did a few little enhancements. We got a Vortex ignition, and we had XPR map it for us. And then we got the velocity stack from KTM Hard Parts, and we added a full titanium FMF exhaust, which is pretty trick, and it saves 2 pounds. We use Pro Taper products. The bars add comfort, and we use their gearing, which is stock 1351. Our go-to tire are Bridgestones, and we use the new X31 front, and we use the X20 on the rear. And finally, our bike was done by a Split Design Company with these sexy graphics.
But you will remember me for centuries. Just one mistake is all you can take. We'll go down in history. Remember me for centuries. Remember me for centuries.
Hey, what's up? My name is Sean Lepanovich, 33 years old, out here in Paula, California, testing out the Ride Engineering KTM SXF 450 2023. I'm a test rider for Dirt Bike Magazine and also KTM, and it's nice to try all these different parts that Ride Engineering came up with. He has the triple clamps, the linkage, steering stabilizer, the axle blocks. This combination definitely makes the bike feel more free. and have no complaints today riding out here on a Friday. Yeah, so after riding the bike today, with all these parts on it, definitely made the frame more forgiving on the track, and it felt more like my personal race bike. That was a 2022 KTM SXF 450, and yeah, these parts definitely make it feel more forgiving on the track and rider friendly.
If you guys have any questions about these modifications, hit me up, info@ride-engineering.com, or call our shop. And all our products are available through your local dealer, through Ride Engineering, or through some of the large mail order companies like Rocky Mountain ATV.